Tesla never fails to surprise us. Elon Musk made big announcements a few days back by introducing the Cybertruck Mini. So without wasting a second, let's begin with today's video. Hello and welcome to our channel Elon Musk Center. The topic of today's episode is Tesla's semi-truck, 1000 volts of pure Tesla trucking power. After 3 years of anticipation and uncertainty, it is finally here. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. A trip to the Tesla Semi. In 2017, Elon Musk said that Tesla was developing a completely electric semi-truck. Musk stated an initial goal of putting the truck on the road by 2019. However, a series of setbacks caused the schedule to be prolonged. A road-ready Tesla Semi was presented after a protracted wait. The electric long hauler was first announced in 2017 and was supposed to go into production in 2019. The Semi has had a battery range of up to 500 miles, a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of 20 seconds, and 4 independent motors on the rear axles, according to Tesla. Prices may begin at $150,000, and orders have already been placed by the hundreds of companies such as Walmart and FedEx. Before all of this, Tesla was already dealing with solid demand. According to its website, it emphasizes more expensive models when projecting shipment delays, which are much longer for less expensive alternatives than the prettier, more expensive ones. Tesla is the same firm that has repeatedly failed to provide low-cost EVs while swiftly moving its efforts to build higher-end, more costly vehicles. Every automaker is doing so right now due to part and chip shortages, making it sensible for for-profit corporations to allocate limited resources to vehicles with better profit margins. Tesla's Cybertruck Mini rendered on the Model Y template surprisingly works. With its sleek aerodynamic appearance and ground-hugging altitude, the Tesla Semi represents the future of transportation. Tesla hasn't revealed specific motor and battery figures for the Semi, but it features tri-motor system with 2 motors at the mid-back axle and a single motor at the ultimate rear axle. While accelerating, the 2 motors activate, allowing the Semi to achieve 0 to 97 km per hour in 20 seconds, which is just as impressive for a massive, fully loaded freight vehicle. Tesla's Semi, the world's first all-electric freight truck, has achieved its projected range in the real-world conditions, marking a new milestone in electrification. While pulling a 37-ton load, the vehicle traveled 500 miles or 800 kilometers on a single battery. Can it withstand your manual tasks? Is it as efficient as conventional trucks? You have 3 times the power of any diesel car on the road today, so you have everything you need to perform the assignment. But it's also efficient, which is why it's a beast. So it's the mix of the two that changes the game. What's even more exciting is that both of them are made feasible by our new 1000-volt powertrain, which will be used in the first car that we build with it, Priestley continued. What does Elon believe about the latest launch? Elon Musk presented PepsiCo with the company's first heavy-duty semi-truck on Thursday without providing an update on pricing, production plans, or cargo capacity estimates. Musk declared on stage at a Tesla event in Nevada that the battery-powered long-haul truck will minimize highway pollution, beat present diesel models in terms of power and safety, and generate fast-charging technologies for Tesla's future Cybertruck pickup. What is the deal with the pricing concealment, and what are the speculations? Musk's first Tesla announcement since taking over Twitter, an acquisition some investors fear has become a distraction, did not announce pricing for the Semi, provide details on variants of the truck it initially projected, or provide a forecast for deliveries to PepsiCo or other customers. Tesla said it would begin utilizing the Semi to ship parts to its Fremont, California facility. Tesla announced in 2017 that the Semi's 300-mile range would cost $150,000 and the 5-mile range would cost $180,000, although Tesla's passenger electric vehicle prices climbed considerably since then. Robin Denholm, Tesla's chair, claimed that the company might build 100 Semis this year. Musk has indicated that Tesla intends to build 50,000 automobiles by 2024. PepsiCo, which ordered 100 Tesla trucks in 2017, used the Tesla truck for its inaugural cargo run to provide the meals to those attending the Nevada launch event. Does this truck excite everyone from a child to well-grown men? Then why don't you give us a follow on our channel so that we can kick your day with excitement regularly? What about power consumption? Based on the current number of vehicles in the EU and an average distance, the poll anticipated energy consumption of 324 terawatt-hours for a 100% electric truck fleet in the EU, which works out to be over 10% of the energy generated in the EU in 2015. The report proposed several ways to prevent networks from collapsing due to excessive power use. According to the study, priority charging at rapid charging stations as envisaged by Tesla is also achievable. With today's technology, charging a fleet of 5 to 50 trucks would require between 1.5 and 20 megawatts, requiring the power system to be stretched and reconstructed. What else is there to offer? High safety. The Max Safety Semi's active safety features operates with cutting-edge motor and brake controls to provide traction and stability in all conditions. A central seating position improves driver visibility, while an all-electric architecture reduces rollover hazards and cabin intrusion in the case of an accident. Vast range. Vast range Semi can go up to 500 kilometers on a single charge, consuming less than 2 kilowatt-hour per mile of energy use. Using Tesla's Semi chargers, you can recover up to 70% of your range in 30 minutes. Low ownership cost. Electric charging is typically 2.5 times less expensive per mile than diesel refilling. Within the last 3 years of ownership, operators may expect to save up to $200,000 on gasoline. It can be seen by operators will be spending more times on the road thanks to remote diagnostics, over-the-air software upgrades, and fewer moving components to maintain. Outstanding performance. Drivers can safely merge and keep up with traffic owing to the rapid torque and unrivaled power provided by 3 different motors at any speed. Fully laden, reach 60 miles per hour in 20 seconds and maintain that speed even when ascending steep inclines. How much weight can it support? The entire weight of the Semi is likewise unknown. According to Tesla's website, the Semi is completely loaded at 82,000 pounds. The maximum allowable weight for an all-electric semi-truck on public roads is 82,000 pounds. The issue is how much the truck itself weighs. After all, the weight of a load varies greatly. A load of wafers, for example, will weigh substantially less than a load of wine. How would you make an investment in upcoming technology? Tesla's capacity to manufacture a completely electric truck is a significant step forward toward a cleaner transportation future. The specifications of a large electric rig are remarkable, but they may improve as technology improves. Investing in Tesla is one option that investors may examine. It's easier said than done to keep up with the latest technology and turn it into successful ventures. The good news is that you can follow the news sparingly. Instead, you may rely on artificial intelligence or AI to make necessary modifications. What are the running expenses going to be? An electric automobile requires less care and maintenance than a conventional vehicle since it has fewer moving parts. According to Musk, the Tesla Semi overall operating cost will be lower than that of the diesel-powered Class 8 vehicle on day one. The Tesla Semi, according to Tesla, will cost $1.26 per mile compared to the $1.51 per mile for a conventional truck, or nearly 20% less. When paying 11 cents per kilowatt hour, an electric vehicle traveling 60 miles per year might save $4,000 in maintenance and $14,000 in gasoline, which is 4 cents more than Musk promised. The Tesla Semi also comes with a 1 million mile warranty, and the company estimates that as of yet undisclosed upfront cost. How is the environment aided? Electric cars do not release carbon dioxide, the principal greenhouse gas responsible for climate change, as the electric grid becomes more environmentally friendly. Transportation contributes to 27% of greenhouse gas emissions in the United States alone. Therefore, electrification is a vital step toward net zero carbon emission targets. Trucks play an essential role in transformation, which is why the US Postal Service, or UPS, and Amazon are adopting electric trucks for local deliveries. Long-distance delivery is more difficult since more batteries are necessary to meet the Tesla Semi's range. Thank you for watching this video. We'll have a new video up very shortly. If you still need to subscribe to our channel and like the video, do so to ensure that you receive all of our updates.